Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the biographies of authors from Module 1 Poetry. Sylvia Plath. Sylvia Plath was an American poet. Her two best known poems are Daddy and Lady Lazarus. Her only novel is The Bell Jar. She belongs to confessional group of poetry. She won Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1982. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was an Indian poet. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his famous work Geetanjali. Shantiniketan was set up by Tagore. His notable works include Gora and Sadhana. Where the Mind is Without Fear represents Tagore's vision of a new and awakened India. Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet. He was born in Mumbai. He received the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his poetry collection, Later Day Psalms. His first book, The Bad Day, appeared in 1952. Some of his major works include Enterprise, The Railway Clerk, Case Study, and The Doctor. Kamala Das. Kamala Das was a major Indian English poet and literature and at the same time leading Malayalam author from Kerala. Her major works include My Story, her autobiography, Nirmadalam Putakalam, in which she got Vailar Award, and Summer in Calcutta. Awards and other recognitions. She got Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award in 1969, Kent Award in 1999, Vailar Award in 2001, and Eruthachan Award in 2009. A.K. Ramanujan. A.K. Ramanujan was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote in both English and Kannada. His notable works include The Striders and Second Sight. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award posthumously in 1999 for the collected poems. Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born in US. He got Pulitzer Prize in Literature 4 times. His first published book is A Boy's Will. Frost nominated 31 times for Nobel Prize. A poem begins in delight and ends in wisdom is a famous quote by Robert Frost. Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson was an American poetess. Some of her best known poems include Because I Could Not Stop for Death, I Am Nobody, Who Are You? I Heard a Fly Buzz When I Died. If the word great means anything in poetry, this poem is one of the greatest in English. This was made by Alan Tate on the poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death. Walt Soyinka. Walt Soyinka is a Nigerian playwright and poet. He was awarded the 1986 Nobel Prize in Literature, the first African to be so honored. In 1994, he was designated UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for the promotion of African culture. His famous play is The Lion and the Jewel. Soyinka's first important play is A Dance of the Forest. Margaret Atwood. She was one of the Canada's major contemporary authors. Margaret Elena Atwood, called Peggy in her family, at the age of 19, she wrote Double Persephone, which won the E.J. Pratt Medal. She wrote The Circle Game in 1964. Her feminist treatise, The Edible Woman, was published in 1969. She won the Crystal Award at the 2010 World Economic Forum in Davos. Meena Alexander. Meena Alexander is an Indian poet. Alexander was one of the most accomplished poets of post-colonial India. In 1993, she published her autobiographical memoir, Fault Lines. Her first book of poetry, House of Thousand Doors, came out in 1988. Alexander also published two novels, Nampally Road in 1992, and Manhattan Music in 2000. One of her famous poems is Illiterate Heart. David Diop. David Mandasi Diop was a revolutionary African poet born in France. His poems highlighted the problems of Africa. He was known for his involvement in the Negritude movement in France, a movement started by black writers and artists protesting against French colonialism and its effect of African cultures and values. His views and feelings were published in Presence African and his book of poems, Coups de Pilon, which was published in 1956. He died at the age of 33 in a plane crash. Jack Davis. Jack Davis was an Australian 20th century Aboriginal playwright, poet, and Indigenous activist. The Firstborn was his first work. He was of the Aboriginal Noongar people, and much of his work dealt with the indigenous Australian experience. First play, 1972, The Steel and the Stone, is the history of the Moore River settlement. Thank you.